What if I told you that a simple fire could unlock thousands of hidden treasures from the earth, turning a quiet forest into a colorful wonderland?
And what if that fire was started on purpose by wise elders who've known the secret for thousands of years? It's not destruction, it's magic.
Welcome to Good News AI. I'm Max, and this is Luna, and today we're diving into an incredible story from Australia where Aboriginal elders used ancient knowledge to bring rare orchids back to life in a spectacular bloom.
Picture this. In the wilds of Western Australia, a team of Aboriginal rangers and elders carefully set a controlled fire, called a prescribed burn, across the landscape. These aren't random flames, they're part of a tradition passed down for over 60,000 years.
That's right! Aboriginal people have used fire to care for the land for generations. It clears away old plants, enriches the soil with nutrients, and creates the perfect conditions for new life to sprout. And boy, did it work this time.
Just weeks after the burn, something amazing happened. Thousands of endangered orchids bloomed all at once. We're talking rare species like the spider orchid and hammer orchid, which look like they're dancing in the wind with their long, twisty petals.
These flowers had been hiding underground as tiny bulbs, waiting for the right signal. The fire was like a wake-up call. Scientists say this bloom is one of the largest ever recorded, with over 10,000 orchids covering the hills like a living rainbow.
But here's the best part. This isn't just pretty, it's powerful conservation. These prescribed burns help prevent bigger, dangerous wildfires by reducing dry fuel. Plus, they boost biodiversity, bringing back not just orchids, but also native bees, birds, and other plants that depend on them.
The Aboriginal elders leading these burns are like nature's superheroes. They combine traditional knowledge with modern science, working with park rangers to protect endangered species. One elder said, "Fire is our tool to heal the land. It's how we've always done it."
This bloom reveals nature's hidden magic, how something as simple as fire can spark life and renewal. It's a reminder that when we listen to indigenous wisdom, we can help the planet thrive.
Scientists are now studying this event to learn more about how these burns can save other endangered plants worldwide. Who knows? This could inspire similar projects everywhere.
So next time you see a flower, remember the story of Australia's orchid explosion. It's proof that good stewardship brings beautiful results.
Thanks for joining us on this flowery adventure. If you loved this, subscribe, and share your own nature stories in the comments. This is Max and Luna from Good News AI. Keep blooming with positivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome stories. Hit the bell so you never miss an update.